Crash course on Arkansas State, USA. Geo Location. Arkansas is located in the southern region of the United States. It is bordered by Missouri to the north, Tennessee and Mississippi to the east, Louisiana to the south, Texas to the southwest, and Oklahoma to the west. Capital. Little Rock is the capital and largest city of Arkansas. Population. Arkansas has a population of approximately 3 million people. Economy. Arkansas has a diverse economy with sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, tourism, and services. It is known for its production of poultry, rice, cotton, and timber. The state is also home to several Fortune 500 companies. Education. Arkansas has a strong education system with numerous universities and colleges. The University of Arkansas is one of the flagship institutions in the state. Brief history. Arkansas has a rich history, dating back to Native American civilizations. It became a territory in 1819 and later joined the Union as the 25th state in 1836. The state played a significant role in the Civil War and the Civil Rights Movement. Culture. Arkansas is known for its vibrant culture, which includes a blend of Southern, Native American, and Ozark Mountain influences. The state has a strong tradition of music, art, literature, and festivals. Politics. Arkansas has a two-party system, with the Republican and Democratic parties being the dominant political forces. The state has produced notable political figures throughout its history. Interesting stories or examples. 1. The Clinton Presidential Library. Located in Little Rock, the library houses documents, artifacts, and exhibits related to the presidency of Bill Clinton, who served as the 42nd President of the United States. It offers a glimpse into recent American history. 2. Hot Springs National Park. Known for its therapeutic hot springs, this national park is the oldest in the United States. Visitors can enjoy the healing waters and explore the beautiful surroundings. 3. Crater of Diamonds State Park. Located in Murfreesboro, this park is the only diamond-bearing site in the world open to the public. Visitors can search for diamonds and other gemstones in the park's plowed field. 4. The Ozark Folk Center. Situated in Mountain View, this center showcases the traditional crafts, music, and culture of the Ozark region. Visitors can enjoy live music performances, craft demonstrations, and workshops. 5. The Buffalo National River. This scenic river flows through the Ozark Mountains and offers opportunities for canoeing, fishing, hiking, and camping. It is one of the few remaining undammed rivers in the contiguous United States. 6. Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art. Located in Bentonville, this museum features a collection of American artwork spanning 5 centuries. The museum's architecture and surrounding trails make it a unique cultural and natural destination. 7. Blanchard Springs Caverns. These underground caves in the Ozark National Forest offer guided tours, allowing visitors to explore stunning rock formations and learn about the geological wonders of the area. 8. Historic Helena. This city on the Mississippi River played a significant role during the Civil War. It is home to historic sites, such as the Delta Cultural Center and Fort Curtis, which provide insights into the region's past. 9. The Arkansas River Trail. Stretching for 88 miles, this trail follows the Arkansas River, offering scenic views and recreational opportunities for hiking, biking, and enjoying the outdoors. 10. Petite Jeanne State Park. Named after a legendary French woman who disguised herself as a man to explore the New World, this state park features hiking trails, waterfalls, and stunning overlooks. 11. The Johnny Cash Boyhood Home. Located in Dyess, this restored house is a tribute to the legendary musician Johnny Cash. Visitors can explore the exhibits and learn about his early life and influences. 12. The Walmart Museum. Situated in Bentonville, this museum tells the story of the retail giant Walmart and its founder, Sam Walton. It provides insights into the company's growth and impact on American culture. Summary. Arkansas, located in the southern United States, is a state with a diverse economy, rich history, and vibrant culture. From the Clinton Presidential Library to the natural wonders of Hot Springs National Park and the Buffalo National River, there are plenty of attractions to explore. The state's music, art, and festivals reflect its unique blend of influences. Arkansas offers a range of outdoor activities, historical sites, and cultural experiences for visitors to enjoy. Poem. In the heart of the South, where rivers flow. Arkansas, a land with stories to bestow. From the Delta's blues to the Ozarks' charm, this state will captivate, leaving no qualm. Little Rock, the capital, stands proud and tall, a gateway to history, where memories enthrall. Hot springs, healing waters, a natural delight. As nature's soothing balm, they take flight. The diamonds in the soil, sparkling so bright. Crater of diamonds, a treasure hunter's delight. The Buffalo River, untamed and serene, a paradise for adventurers, a picturesque scene. Ozark Folk Center, where culture thrives. Crafts and music echo, as time survives. Crystal Bridges, a haven for art's embrace. American treasures find solace and grace. Blanchard Springs Caverns, a world unseen. Majestic formations, a wonder pristine. Helena's history, etched in the sands. A glimpse of the past, where heritage stands. Arkansas River Trail, a scenic way. Nature's beauty unfolds, with each passing day. Petite Jean State Park, where dreams take flight. Waterfalls and trails, a nature lover's delight. Johnny Cash's boyhood home, a humble abode. The Man in Black's legacy, forever bestowed. Walmart's museum, a tale of success. A retail empire, born from vision's caress. Arkansas, a state with tales to tell. From its vibrant culture to the land's sweet spell. Explore its wonders, embrace the unknown. In Arkansas, memories are sown. Song. Verse 1. In the heartland's embrace, Arkansas does lie. A place where tales are woven, beneath the southern sky. From the Mississippi Delta to the Ozarks' grandeur, Arkansas sings its melody, a state of pure ardor. Chorus. Oh, Arkansas, land of beauty and grace, where the rivers flow and the memories embrace. From Little Rock's city lights to the Delta's soulful blues, in Arkansas, there's a melody for you to choose. Verse 2. Hot springs, healing waters, a timeless delight, where weary souls find solace, beneath the starry night. And the Buffalo River, a wild and scenic flow, where nature's wonders whisper, secrets they bestow. Bridge. From the Clinton Presidential Library to historic Helena's town, Arkansas tells its story, a tapestry unbound. With culture, art, and history, it weaves a vibrant tale. In every corner of the state, a story to regale. Chorus. Oh, Arkansas, land of beauty and grace, where the rivers flow and the memories embrace. From Little Rock's city lights to the Delta's soulful blues, in Arkansas, there's a melody for you to choose. Verse 3. The Ozark Folk Center, where traditions come alive. Crafts and music intertwine, as spirits strive. And Crystal Bridges Museum, a haven for the soul, where art and nature blend, creating a sacred whole. Outro. So, come and explore, let Arkansas unfold. Its wonders and its beauty, a story yet untold. In every corner, a treasure you will find. Arkansas, a state that leaves no heart behind. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.